I got on to the pain, ain't no more feeling that inside me. See the niggas get slain, the streets they shiesty and they grimy. Better make sure you on point, cause if you ain't, you might get batty. Yeah, I got a motherfucking family to feed. Was a juvenile just like 400 degree. We was serving the scamming, ain't got no degree. We ain't got no.
What's up, YouTube? So we're back. This is like 3 weeks later after the video, the valve cover gasket. If you watched it, you guys know that I ended up breaking this hose right here. Ended up breaking it, and well, yeah, I ended up breaking it. So I ordered a new one, and took like 3 weeks to get here, because I wasn't gonna pay, for fast shipping and handling. So I said whatever, it comes when it comes, and it came today. But yeah, I'm gonna be changing it. I'm gonna show you guys how. And it ran me, I think, 63 after taxes. It was $59.99, I think. But I'll drop the link in the description if you guys need it. But I'm gonna be showing you how to change it. I believe it is called the CCV vent hose, but if it's not, I'll put it right here what the name is. But it's the one that's connected to the valve cover to the intake. So yeah, to get to it. Oh yeah, but the car has not been started, so I couldn't start it because of the hose. So it's gonna be the first time starting it after maybe a month, and the battery's not connected, so hopefully the car is not dead. So it's open, and the receipt, and I'll show you guys right now. Here it is. Put that back in there. But here it is. From BMW OEM. We gotta go OEM all the time. So here's the clips, 4 clips. Well, ended up breaking on mine. It was old. It was too old, so what ended up cracking was the hose itself. It's made out of plastic, so over time it'll crack right here. It's made of plastic. See? Plastic. And this one, as you can see, it broke because it's old, and see, it's old, cracks. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to change that. It's connected right there. So it's literally by one screw. So by one screw, and then take it off, and then put it back on, and you're done. But let me get my tools. Okay guys, so we're back. I believe it's a T30. Let's try it, because I can't see it from here, but hopefully it is. If not, we'll have to change it. Put you guys down so you can see. If you can see, can you guys see down there? It's not wanting to focus. That right there. Try to get it to focus, guys. There you go. That right there. It's focusing a little bit. That right there. That's what you need to get out. So just go ahead and do that. Try to get it out, and then it should come right off. Once you think it's loose enough, I recommend untightening it with your fingers. I think it's, yep. Okay, I think it should be loose enough. I'm gonna have to move you guys so I can put my hand down there. Holy shit, okay. Now it's out. Now my wrench fell in here. this is how I did it. Double extension T20. It's right there. See it right there? You can barely see it right there. This is the engine. I went from over here in here. Slowly, slowly, down, 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 down. Eventually, now you'll get straight like that. And see it? Start untightening it, but hold it. That's how you do it. Now let's change it. Can you guys see? Okay, so I got it. All you do is pull down. Since it's up like this, just pull it downwards, straight down, and it'll come off. Set that to the side. Now take this off, the hose from the housing. Wow, it's stuck in there hard. Okay, got it out. Just pull as hard as you can. I was pulling my finger. I was holding it like this and pull back. Just pull. You don't have to twist it, just fucking pull it. You gotta have faith, nothing breaks. Okay, out with the old and with the new. Remember, it has to be a certain weight as well. And be careful not to break this one, the one you're gonna put in. Be careful not to break it because it's also made out of plastic. So just be very careful, you know, not to break it, and put it in there first and then you can turn it around. Now move it around and shit. Fuck. I literally have no space to work with. Fuck. Fuck, my fingers hurt. Oh shit. Okay, it's almost in there. Fuck, my fingers hurt. I'm smushing my fingers against the top right here when I'm trying to push it in there. Smushing the fuck out of my finger, but I have no choice. Make sure it's all the way. Fuck me. Okay. See what I mean? You're gonna have to. Okay, now screw it back on there. Let me connect this though. Don't forget to connect your little clip. There we go. Mine's in there. If you see any leaks, we'll come back to it. Here, now connect it right here. Make sure you hear the clip. All the way up. Don't be careful with it though. You have to use some force here. There we go. It's in there. bottom. Where is it? Looks okay as well. So now we'll turn it on. First we gotta connect the battery though, guys, because hopefully the battery ain't dead, because I haven't connected it in like a month. So let's hope it's not dead. It's not dead. Curl it up. Let's go. Too small. Alright guys, so everything's good. Now let's see. It's gonna be the first. It's gonna be the first start, and after like a whole month, due to working on the valve cover gasket and then the hose that we broke. So let's see, make sure everything is good. The connections are back. Okay, all right. See you guys. See if we have any leaks around the fuel lines, valve cover, or down there. Here we go, guys. First start since last month. Let's see. Let me just put the ignition on, let it run and calibrate, I guess. Alright guys, so I let it on for like, ignition on for like 2 to 3 minutes now. So let's turn it on. Checking for fuel leaks. Check for fuel leaks. Oil leaks on there. Valve cover gasket leaks. That right there is leaking still. It might be the valve cover itself. I'll let it run for a little bit, because I remember cleaning it, and as you can see right there, more focus right there, that's oil leaking from the gasket itself. So that's weird. no fuel leaks though. And that pipe down there isn't leaking oil as well, so we'll let it run. No leaks down here. I don't know if that right there is a leak, because I remember cleaning it and it wasn't like that. Because it's leaking oil back there somewhere. Probably need a new valve cover. And if I do, it's covered by extended warranty, so I'll have them replace it. You know, let the car run for a little bit though. Hasn't been on for like a month now. I don't see nothing on the dash except for that, which has always been there due to has like, pretty sure it has like a leak somewhere. I need to do a smoke test, take it to a shop or something. I do smell some oil burning, and it shouldn't be. So I don't know. It might be the valve cover itself that's leaking, because I replaced the gasket and it still looks like it's leaking, unfortunately. But yeah, so it might be the valve cover itself. After that, because you guys know I don't trust this due to the, you know, if you didn't watch the story, go watch it. It's on my YouTube. We'll let it get to warming temps, and then we'll probably go test it, run it like maybe a minute, because I'm not supposed to be running it due to the oil change past this oil, and see if it leaks. Measure it, and we have to wait. Okay guys, so I'll let it, you know, run for a little bit, and then we can probably take it out. So if we do, I'll be back.